If you think fingerprints are just for crime shows, think again. They actually help you hold stuff. Stick around. Your hands are more high-tech than you think. Those swirly ridges, they're not decoration. They boost friction between your skin and objects. The ridges channel away moisture. They increase contact points, so grip improves when surfaces get slippery. Scientists say fingerprints act like mini grips, giving your fingertips traction for anything from keys to climbing rocks. So next time you catch something before it drops, give a little nod to your fingerprints. Nature's built-in anti-slip. Quick payoff. Unique for ID, useful for grip. 2 perks in one tiny print.